Are you looking for the best portable gas inverter generator? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the best portable gas inverter generator, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Pulsar PGD40 ISCO Ultra-Light Quiet 4000 Watt Portable Gas Inverter Generator. Brand, Pulsar. Wattage, 4000 watts. Fuel type, gasoline. Power source, gas-powered. Recommended uses for product, camping, residential. Item weight, 47.3 pounds. Voltage, 120 volts. Output wattage, 4000. Special feature, automatic voltage regulation. Fuel efficient, portable, super quiet, super lightweight. Included components, generator. Provides 4000 peak watts and 3200 rated watts of power. 1 gallon fuel tank provides 4 hours of runtime at half load. Super quiet operation rated at 59 dB. Ideal for emergency power, RV use, sensitive electronics, in air conditioning units up to 13,500 BTU. Super quiet operation rated at 59 dB. Parallel ready. Number 2. Xpeedingrods 3500 Watt Portable Inverter Generator Gas-Powered. EPA compliant, compact and lightweight for home backup power, outdoor camping, RV, and trailer. Brand, Xpeedingrods. Wattage, 3500 watts. Power source, gas-powered. Recommended uses for product, outdoor. Item weight, 23,580 grams. Voltage, 120 volts. Output wattage, 3500. Versatile power supply. With 3,500 peak watts and 3,000 running watts, our generator can easily power a small house, RV, food truck, and more. It is the ideal product for home backup power under extreme weather. And its compact and lightweight design, 47 pounds, makes it perfect for outdoor living and travel. Power more appliances. Our generator features 120-volt 30-amp RV outlet, 2 120-volt 20-amp outlets, and 2 5-volt DC USB outlets, making it compatible with all types of standard electrical equipment. Clean power. Inverter technology produces clean, pure sine wave power, providing safe, high-quality current for sensitive equipment without damaging electronics. Charge phones, laptops, cameras, and more with ease. Quiet operation. At just 58 decibels in eco mode, at a distance of 23 feet, our generator is as quiet as a normal conversation or running dishwasher, making it perfect for use in any setting without disturbing others.
Number 3. ERAYAK 2400 Watt Portable Inverter Generator for Home Use. Super quiet small generator for camping, outdoor emergency power backup. Gas-powered engine, EPA, Eco Mode. Brand, ERAYAK. Wattage, 1800 watts. Fuel type, gasoline. Power source, fuel-powered. Recommended uses for product, camping, commercial, residential. Voltage, 120 volts AC. Output wattage, 2400. Special feature, portable. Included components, item. Powerful and clean energy output, 2400 watt peak watts / 1800 watt running watts, delivering dependable power for RVs, camping, home backup, and outdoor work. Advanced inverter technology provides clean and stable electricity, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops, CPAP machines, and mobile devices. Quiet generator. Ultra-quiet operation at just 52.5 dB, 7 meters distance and 25% load. Perfect for campgrounds, RV parks, and residential areas. Eco Mode dynamically adjusts engine speed to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce noise. Compact, lightweight, and RV generator. Portable inverter generator 2400P weighs just 42 pounds for easy transport and storage. Compact dimensions, 18.82 inches L.
Number 4. Anker Power Equipment 4400 Watts Inverter Generator. Gas-powered, portable, open-frame generator, low noise with Eco Mode, RV Ready, emergency home backup. Brand, Anker. Wattage, 3400 watts. Fuel type, gasoline. Power source, fuel-powered. Recommended uses for product, camping, commercial, residential. Item weight, 56 pounds. Voltage, 120 volts. Output wattage, 4400. Special feature, cold start technology, fuel efficient, fuel gauge, low oil shutdown, overload protection. Included components, 4400 watts generator. Powerful output, 4,400 peak watts and 3,400 running watts, perfect for RV camping and home backup. Multi-output options, includes two 120-volt AC ports, one 120-volt DC port, one RV port. Long runtime, runs for up to 14 hours at 25% load with Eco Mode. 2-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge, allows you to check fuel levels at a glance, keeping you prepared. Low noise, under 72 dBA from 23 feet away. This generator provides steady power for your home during a power outage or RV nights. Lightweight and portable, only 56 pounds, easy to move around. Note, all generators are functionally tested in the factory. There may be a slight smell of gas when you receive it. Don't worry about it, it's not secondhand.
Number 5. Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 Portable Power Station. 2,000 watts, peak 3,000 watts, solar generator, full charge in 49 minutes, 1,024 watt LiFo PO4 battery for home backup, power outages, and camping. Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 Portable Power Station. 2,000 watts, solar, battery powered, camping 11.3 kilograms, 60 volts, 2,000, portable. 49 men ultra-fast recharging. With upgraded HyperFlash tech, fully recharge at 1,600 watts for outage prepping, camping trips, or tailgating events. Enable it in the Anker app. 2,000 watt output via 10 ports, delivers 2,000 watts, 3,000 watts peak, and 1,024 watt capacity. Power up to 10 devices, ideal for emergency backup, remote work setups, tiny homes, and off-grid living. Compact and portable. Easily carry, store, and move from room to room, your RV, or even on beach and park outings. C1000 Gen 2 is 14% smaller and 11% lighter than similar models. 10 years of infinity power, built to last through years of daily backup and RV and van life. After 4,000 cycles, the battery still has at least 80% capacity. 1.8 hours solar recharging. Go fully off-grid with sustainable power for tiny homes, camping RV, off-grid setups, and remote locations. Plug in 600 watts, 60 volts max of solar and recharge in just 1.8 hours. 10 millisecond UPS backup. Keep vital equipment like CPAP machines and laptops running with under 10 millisecond UPS switchover.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.